Hello everyone. Today's topic is about singular and plural. Noun stands for one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. Noun stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing is called plural. Nouns that end in s, ss, sh, ch and x means you should add es at the end for plural form. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes. Dish, dishes. Nouns that end f or fe, that letters f or fe should be changed into ve before adding s, which means after you should change that f or fe into ve and then add the letter s. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Noun that ends in a consonant and y plural replaced the y with I and add es with it. So, a word which is ended with y, before the y that letter is in a consonant means you should change that y into I and then add es at the end of the word to change that word into plural. See here, baby, babies. Country, countries. And the next noun ends with a vowel and y, add s to make it plural. A word which is ended with y, before the y, that letter which is in vowel means you can add s for the plural for that word. And the next singular noun ends in o, add es at the end of the word to make it plural. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. And then next, try to write answers for these questions. First one, story. story, story. Here, this word is ended with y. Before that y, you can see that letter is a consonant. So it is stories. And then second one, pen. So just add s at the end of the word. Pens. And then next one, calf. It is ended with f. So you should change that f into ve and then add s at the end of the word, so that it will become calves. 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 Mango. This word is ended with o. So just add es at the end of this word. Mangoes.